Hey, how's it going everyone? I have another new product to review today for you. This is the ultra thin portable drone from HobbyFly. Huge thank you to them for sending this out for review. This is a mini RC drone. It features a 720p HD camera with Wi-Fi included. And it also has a app where you can record a video transmission straight to your phone. So that way whatever it sees you can see. And you can track it a lot easier. Now as you can see just from the packaging alone, this is going to be a pretty small drone, hence the name ultra thin. So I'm going to go ahead and open this box up real quick and show you all that the drone has to offer. So inside right off the bat we have the drone up top. Very compact in size. You see you have some Soul branding along with J8RC, the model name. And you're probably wondering how in the world is this a drone, because it doesn't look like it has any propellers. But now if you look closely on the side, you'll see these two little grooves on the left and the right hand side. Which one go ahead and do is press those in, and it pops out the propellers. The way this works is a spring-loaded mechanism on the inside that launches each propeller both on the left side and the right. And then you also have your A's and your B's for the front of your drone and the back of your drone. And further into the box we have a little instruction manual. Now I did open this box a couple days ago just to see what it looked like. And once you see what the controller is, you're definitely going to want to make sure you read the instruction manual before you get started with the drone. So inside it tells you all the different features. So you have your power, your upper casing, lower casing, propeller, the unfold button, motor, crankshaft. There's also a built-in 720p camera in this, which is pretty awesome. And you have your charging port. And these are all the things on the side that should come included in your box. And it gives you some pre-flight preparation, when to fly the drone and when not to fly the drone during certain weather conditions, and the instructions on how to release the propellers. Here you have all the different modes that you can do on the controller itself. And as you can see, because of how small the controller is, nothing is written on each individual button, so that's why I said read the manual. So let's go ahead and look at the controller. As you can see, it's very small and compact, so if you have larger hands it might be a little bit of a struggle. But like I mentioned before, fortunately it has an app, so if you decide to go that route you might have a little bit bigger screen, and then that way you can view exactly where you are in the sky. So now real quickly, so you have your joysticks and you have a few variety with your buttons. So your left joystick, that's going to control your throttle, so how much you go up and down. You can also go left to right. And then your right stick is going to control when you go forward or backwards, or you can also go left and right as well. Some of the bottom buttons, they create fine tuning, so if it's veering too far to the left, you can adjust it right, and vice versa, if it's going too far to the right, you can adjust it left. You also have different speed controls, so I recommend when you're first starting out with the drone to start with a slower speed, and then once you become more advanced with it, then you can increase the speed over time. You also have options to take still pictures or record video, as well as alternate with 3D flips. On the back you'll see you have a battery compartment. This is where you're going to insert two AAA batteries to get everything up and running. And the last two things you're going to be getting in this package, you get a little charging cable. Now it's not too long, so I recommend keeping a charging brick either in your pocket or your backpack. And you have a couple extra propellers just in case one either falls off or gets damaged when you're flying. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is test the drone outside, both with the controller and with the app itself, and I'll let you know which one I prefer. Alright guys, so now I'm outside to test the drone with the controller, and I'm also going to download the app to let you know which one I prefer more. And that was my quick look at the HobbyFly JRC mini RC drone. Once again, a huge thank you to HobbyFly for sending these out for a review. If you want to pick one of these up, I'll leave a link in the description down below. They currently retail for $48.99 on Amazon, which is a really great deal, as originally they're $60, so you save some money if you order now. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the drone on how accurate it is when you're flying it. And for such a small drone, the flight time is actually pretty outstanding. You roughly get about 20 to 30 minutes on a full charge, and it only takes about 45 minutes to an hour to charge up completely, and then you're all ready to go. Stay tuned for about a week or two from now. I'm going to test the app version and see if that offers any better stability or accuracy when I'm making the sharp turns. And I'm also going to throw in a couple of flips here and there. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.